Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to unpair this Bluetooth earphone to your Samsung phone device. Guys, you want to unpair it, so guys you can unpair. And guys, now let's see how to unpair Bluetooth earphone to our Samsung phone device. In this video guys, I am going to show you how to unpair it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So friend, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting to unpair this earphone. Then guys, click on this first setting guys, connection, and guys you can see this Bluetooth. So guys tap here, and guys you can see guys we have paired this Bluetooth earphone, and guys unpair. You can see right side is setting option icon. So guys tap here, and guys you can see unpair. So I will click on unpair. So with this guys you can see this red light means guys it has unpair to our Samsung phone device. So we will off it. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth earphone to our Samsung phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.